Hello again, friends, and welcome back to Slim Bones Lego Star Wars channel. The channel that makes being ridiculously impractical fun. On January 21st, and after 8 months without an upload, you and I finally began talking about the UCS 75192 Millennium Falcon Phase 1 project. Internal parts color-corrected with better and smarter choices. Light bluish-gray external pieces replaced with white. Because the Falcon isn't gray, and nostalgia wins the day. Today, 5 weeks later, we finally wrap up Phase 1. My goodness, I think my nipples are getting hard. Bum bum ba ba bum bum ba ba bum ba 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 bum 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 ba ba bum ba ba bum 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 bum.
At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi. At last we will have revenge.
Bring that beat back! Yeah! Cold Medina! Yeah!
Darth Vader! Lord Vader!
Good job.
I have new information to share about Cave God's custom Upsilon command shuttle. As was mentioned several weeks ago, the instructions I purchased from Rebrickable were terrible. So terrible that I gave up trying to build it. A couple of weeks ago, I stumbled upon a video of a German dude building it. His YouTube channel is The Brick Freaks. Mold King, which is a Chinese Lego knockoff company, recently released the ship. Their set 21011. While watching his video, I was startled at his comment about how great the instructions were for the body. He even mentioned at one point he felt this was one of the best UCS builds he had ever done. In case you all want to view this build yourselves, be sure to click on the link recorded in English. After watching that build video a little longer, it occurred to me that he might have different instructions than I do. Caught some glimpses of his instructions and realized that they are different from the ones I purchased from Rebrickable. This makes sense. If a company wanted to mass produce this set, the instructions would need to be at least good. Lastly, I'm happy to announce that the Rebrickable instructions I purchased last May for this ship are no longer available. For your reference, the awful instructions were from Harry Han and Brick Moon. In fact, within my Rebrickable account, it shows I purchased the instructions, but when I click the original page link from that transaction, I get this message.
Will it be my baby doll? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. Will it be, yes, so will it be? Sorry. So open up your morning light and say a little prayer for I. You know that if we are to stay alive,
Bring that beat back!
do 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 do